Hello students again. I am sorry that I am not with you today to work on this, but if you listen very carefully, you'll be able to do this successfully without me and with the substitute who is guiding you. Before you even begin to do this, please make sure that you already have a charged computer on your desk and that you have logged in. One of the most important things you need to do right now is to log into your 365 account. And yes, that's the login, that's your student ID and the password that you always use. So once you do that and you log in, I want you to look for something called the Teams icon. And I'm going to show you that, and feel free to pause this at any time for students to catch up. Alright, yours may look a little bit different than mine, okay? But here are all my apps, and here's the team icon. This is what it looks like, okay? You will need to click on that. And again, yours is going to look different from mine, but I just want to give you an idea of what it might look like, okay? When you log into Teams, it's probably going to initialize. And it's taking a while. Alright, it is loading. Now, because I'm a teacher, I have a bunch of classes in here, okay? Let me show you what it looks like. See, I have a bunch. I have one that I participated in with Mr. Fitzgerald before he left, but here are all of ours. Now, depending what class you're on, you're going to need to join that, and the only way that you can join, the only way you can be a part of this is to join. So see down here at the bottom, whatever yours looks like, down near the bottom, you're going to join or create a team. Okay, you're not creating, you're going to join a team. Okay, and it just simply says join a team with a code. Okay, and if you're period 1-2, this is your code that's in bold. That is red C30Y. Period 6, you are UZQ1221. And period 7-8, you are 8KY73GD. So once you type those in, you should be able to see the class. Alright? And once you type in that code, you should be good to go. Alright, so I am trying to join. It will not work because I am a teacher, but I'm trying to join period 1 team. Oh, actually, it let me join. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. Okay, depending on what class it is, you're going to have your essay listed there. You will see, depending on what class it is, when you view the assignment, I'm just using period 1 as an example. When you view the assignment, you are going to have several documents here. It's going to ask you, these are mine, but it's going to ask you to open this document here to start working. That is your working piece. That's why it's called student work. You will also see some reference materials. Depending on the class, you're definitely going to have a scoring rubric, each of you. And then this one for period 1 is just a repeat of the embedded assessment. For periods 5 and 6, you guys are also going to have a sample anchor chart to look at of a paper that's written to help you. I hope that these will help you do your writing, but there's a performance task rubric in the anchor paper, but you'll do your typing here. So all that work that you did yesterday and the day before working on the outline, you should have finished by now, and you should be ready to start typing. So once you join this class and get in, you should type. This assignment is due by Friday. There is no extensions. There aren't any extra days. You have plenty of time to write this. If you focus and do the work in class, you should be able to get it done. If you can't, you're going to have to spend time doing it for homework. And the expectation is that you are in this room working individually, working quietly, and staying on the Teams environment. Anyone outside the Teams environment is subject to discipline. If a substitute observes you on another tab that you're not supposed to be in, they're going to take your computer and they're going to let Mr. Carroll know, and unfortunately you'll just have to write it on paper. So please remember to do the right thing and make good choices and work hard while I'm away so that you can get a good grade on this embedded assessment, which is 10% of your grade for third quarter. Thanks a lot. Have fun writing. I'll see you soon.